Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский. Домашнее задание. В старом доме есть мыши. Часть вторая. Страница 24, 25, 26, 27. English. Starlight 3. There are mice in the old house. Homework. Part number 2. Page number 24, 25, 26, 27. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 24. 24. Grammarland. There is, there are. Interrogative, negative. Обороты there is, there are, положительная и отрицательная форма. Вопрос. Is there a sofa? Yes, there is. Are there any chairs? No, there aren't. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Посмотрите на картинку и ответьте на вопросы. Is there a lamp in the picture? Is there a sink? Are there any mirrors? Are there any chairs? Is there a phone? Is there a fridge? The answer: yes, there is. No, there isn't. Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Choose. Then talk with your friend. Выберите, затем поговорите со своим другом. Is there a fridge in your kitchen? Yes, there is. It's next to the cupboard. The answer: is there a cooker in your kitchen? Yes, there is. It's next to the cupboards. Is there a sink in your kitchen? Yes, there is. It's in front of the window. Is there a clock in your kitchen? Yes, there is. It's next to the fridge. Are there chairs in your kitchen? Yes, there are. They're next to the table. Is there a radio in your kitchen? Yes, there is. It's on the cupboard. Are there apples in your kitchen? Yes, there are. They are on the table. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 25. 25. In the old house. Exercise number 3. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Посмотрите на картинку и ответьте на вопросы. Is there a teddy bear on the sofa? Yes, there is. Is there a bed? Are there any books on the sofa? Is there a teddy bear on the bed? Are there any pencils on the table? Is there a chair in the room? The answer: yes, there is. Yes, there is. No, there aren't. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Look at the picture and make sentences. Посмотрите на картинки и составьте предложение. Bed, desk, cooker. There's a bed and a desk in the bedroom. There isn't a cooker. The answer. There's a bed and a desk in the bedroom. There isn't a cooker. There's a sofa and armchair in the living room. There isn't a fridge. There's a sofa and an armchair in the living room. There isn't a fridge. There's a bath and a mirror in the bathroom. There aren't 2 tables. There's a cooker and a fridge in the kitchen. There isn't an armchair. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 26 and 27. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. Послушайте и прочтите диалог. Oh no, Missy's in the house. Missy, come back. This is a very old house. There are spiders in the living room. Cool, there's a frog in the kitchen. Lee, no. Look, there are mice in the bathroom. Quick, close the door, hurry. Help, there's a ghost in the bedroom. Ha ha, that's not funny, Alvin. Where's Missy? Listen, she's in the kitchen. It's very dark here. Let's open the curtains. Mrs. in the old cooker. Oh, Missy, you're so dirty. Is there a bath in the bathroom? Yes, but there are mice in the bathroom. Look, there's a sink in here, but no water. Missy, you're nice and clean now. Yes, but we all dirty. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Read the dialogue again and say yes or no. Прочтите диалог еще раз и скажите да или нет. There are spiders in the living room. There's mouse in the kitchen. There are frogs in the bathroom. There's a bath in the bathroom. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is